Understanding the subsidy lock on an LG phone. A subsidy lock, sometimes called carrier or network locking, is a process that many carriers use to safeguard customers' phones from hacking and to protect their financial interest. Carrier-locked phones have settings that would enable a customer to put in a SIM card from a different carrier and use the phone with that different carrier. Locking the phones makes it harder for thieves to resell phones for profit and also makes sure that carriers can protect their financial investment in phones. Since most carriers now require customers to make monthly payments over 2 to 3 years to pay off the retail cost of the phone, carriers also have subsidy locks to make sure that customers can't get a phone and then take it to another carrier without paying for it. To have your LG phone unlocked so you can use it on whatever compatible carrier you wish to use, you have to contact the original carrier the phone was manufactured for and sold by and ask them to unlock it. Once the carrier verifies your identity and that the phone has been paid off, they will provide you with a PUK code or personal unlocking key. The carrier will provide instructions on how to enter this code into the phone and unlock it. When you enter the code, the phone and network communicate and validate that all the information matches, and then unlock the settings on the phone. Unlocking your phone is something that LG has no control over whatsoever, and you will have to contact the original carrier for a given phone to have it unlocked. This applies even if it has been unlocked previously and then relocked, which happens when phones are sent in for repair service with LG. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.